Shopware offers various deployment models to suit different merchant needs. Let's take a closer look at each of the 4 deployment models. First, there is the multi-tenant SaaS model, which is available through Shopware Rise and Evolve. With this model, Shopware manages both the infrastructure and application code, and instances share the same code base and infrastructure. This model allows for extensibility through dedicated APIs, third-party plugins, and themes, but the system code base is not accessible to merchants. Updates are managed by Shopware and are applied simultaneously to all merchants. Secondly, there is the single-tenant SaaS model, which is available through Shopware Beyond. Similar to the multi-tenant SaaS model, Shopware manages both the infrastructure and application code. However, each instance has their own code and infrastructure, and updates are applied individually to each merchant. This model also allows for extensibility through dedicated APIs, third-party plugins, and themes, but the system code base is not accessible to merchants. Thirdly, there is the single-tenant hosted model, which is available through Shopware PaaS. With this model, Shopware manages the infrastructure, but merchants or solution integrators manage the application code and updates. Extensibility is possible through dedicated APIs, third-party plugins, themes, and custom code, as the system code base is accessible to merchants or solution integrators. Finally, there is the on-premise self-hosted model, which is suitable for merchants or solution integrators which prefer to manage both the infrastructure and the application code themselves. It is available for all Shopware plans from Wise to Beyond, including the Community Edition. This model allows for extensibility through dedicated APIs, third-party plugins, themes, and custom code, as the application code is also accessible to merchants or solution integrators. That was the overview of the 4 different deployment models in Shopware.